Your return to Coin Series channel is greatly appreciated. Listen, I'm about to reveal the secret prediction of a chart analyst. XRP will expand 15 times its current value. Sure, right before the mid-cycle slump, there's a 15-fold spike. The release is imminent, expected to occur within the next several months at the least. From XRP's current price, that's close to $10. Everyone. Therefore, I completely understand it when it comes to analysts. And I really respect those who are prepared to risk everything and take criticism personally, as I've mentioned previously. Thank you for making the effort to do so, and for taking the time to explain things from their perspective. For the simple reason that a lot of these experts put in a lot of time and energy to deciphering the data and providing their conclusions. No matter how trustworthy or successful an analyst is, I become anxious whenever we discuss deadlines. This is because variables like prior occurrences might lead portions of a chart formation to unfold more rapidly than anticipated, even if their analysis is spot on for that formation overall. Consequently, no matter how good they are at predicting chart formation, I have never met an analyst who could correctly predict when prices will go up or down. But I'm just reporting what other analysts have found. Additionally, a second expert will provide their thoughts by going on record as well. When we get to that point, we'll know for sure. It is quite probable that XRP might hit that price level within that time frame, given the current state of things and the convergence of events. I'll own up to it first. Are you able to make out that timeline specifically in the graphs? That's the end. Fine. It can be more suitable to have a broad idea for a longer duration. In light of the present state of the market, do experts expect Bitcoin's value to continue falling? Limiting it down is challenging. Is an upward breakout about to occur? That is significant because Bitcoin leaves the market, regardless of your interest in Bitcoin. Also, it makes no difference if you have XRP as your largest holding, or are just as involved in cryptocurrencies as I am. It makes sense. You need to give that some serious consideration. Personally, I feel the same way. No matter what happens, you need to be concerned about Bitcoin's destiny. Before I begin, let me state that neither I nor anyone I know has any background or expertise in the field of finance. What I say shouldn't even be considered as a basis for a sale or buy. Am I right? For fun and as a hobby, I enjoy making videos on cryptocurrencies on YouTube. I'm just an enthusiast. At the time of this video's recording, XRP was worth 63 cents, which is more than Bitcoin even in USD. At this very moment, Bitcoin is trading at $64,326 on the XRP BTC chart, which is even more astonishing, with a cryptocurrency fear and greed rating of 74. 0 out of 100, the asset class market cap is little under 5 trillion USD. So, we haven't stepped into the territory of extreme greed just yet. But good old greed is causing a stir in the cryptocurrency markets. Experts in the cryptocurrency market agree with me that XRP's value will increase by a factor of 15. A prominent cryptocurrency analyst has projected that XRP's price would experience a 15-fold increase shortly before the mid-cycle run-ins, which is just before the cycle's peak. A 3% decline, reducing the 30-day value of XRP to 61 cents, is the outcome of the 7-day performance total. Even at 15%, XRP's increase is significant. However, XRP is still trading near its October highs, when the cryptocurrency bull market was at its height. I will mention this now before we go any farther into this expert's opinion. I understand that XRP could experience a major event that propels it to unprecedented levels. But I would be surprised if it occurred only on the basis of its previous performance. The most recent instances that we noticed when looking at XRP were the last two bull markets. There were two major shifts that happened with XRP. More than 6 months would pass between the two events in 2017. After that, preparations for the next market cycle began. There will be two in 2021 in November and another in April. Therefore, that happened around 6 months ago. Nothing says there can't be any variance. After all, history doesn't always repeat itself word for word. A rhyming scheme with itself is virtually audible. The only way it could happen is if it were playful. A new all-time high, or at least a dramatic riser, in the market is what I would expect to see. I don't think the first move, no matter how high it climbs, will be the cycle's peak. Furthermore, I will be giving equal weight to everyone's opinions. The opinions of others, especially those chart specialists, are always intriguing to me. I just wanted to say how amazed I am if that initial explosion was her sole piece of writing as I Saturday here before that happens. In my opinion, it's quite unlikely. It may take a considerable amount of time from when it stops to when it starts operating again. Conversely, when we were talking about XRP and bringing it to 10, I believe these were reasonable objectives. Anyway, I have been entirely fictional up until this point, so I will not be offering a price prediction myself. That seems quite conventional to me. Everything there is too old-fashioned, in my view. Still, there is peace. Nevertheless, prominent market analysts are confident that XRP will experience a sudden and substantial increase in value in the near future. Recent comments from prominent analysts have raised red flags regarding XRP, which may indicate that it is poised for a significant short-term surge. He thought XRP